Home fires kill an average of 7 people every day, and every 40 minutes an injury from a home fire is reported. The Norwalk Fire Department and the American Red Cross will soon go door to door installing free smoke detectors and educating residents on safety and preparedness as part of the launch of its home fire preparedness campaign.
They basically told us they can give us unlimited number of smoke detectors, which just baffles me.
Fire department staff met with representatives from the American Red Cross and the Norwalk Public Safety Cadets Tuesday at Calvary Baptist Church to launch the program. They say the goal is to reduce the number of deaths and injuries caused by home fires by 25% in 5 years.
People are most vulnerable when they're asleep, and the smoke detector is the only way to ensure that they will be woken up by an incipient fire in enough time for them to get out of the house through the front door or the normal way in and out.
On Saturday, March 14th, teams made up of City Fire Department staff, cadets, and Red Cross volunteers will knock on doors of homes in South Norwalk with the highest incidence of structure fires to perform home safety checks and install new smoke detectors.
Really kind of hits home, hey, this could really happen in your neighborhood. It did happen in your neighborhood just around the corner where people are more receptive. So what we're going to do is on that date, have the smoke trailer out and fill it up with fog and have smoke coming out of the windows, generate as much attention to the event as possible, and then go door to door, with this whole process.
Roughly 1,000 times every day, fire departments across the nation are called to a home fire. Disaster safety educators will help residents make a fire escape plan, learn how to test and replace alarms, and review other household hazards like those caused by carbon monoxide poisoning.
Also part of this program, hopefully we can make it happen, is to get either a separate carbon monoxide or a dual smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector. You remember earlier this year, right down the street off of Woodward, there was a near tragedy where 2 occupants on the second floor had to be rescued and carried out of the building, suffering from very high levels of carbon monoxide.
The campaign is also seeking volunteers and organizations interested in helping. Additional information will be provided as the dates get closer. In Norwalk, I'm Priscilla Lombardi for It's Relevant News.